welcome to Oliveboard. In this video, we will be learning 5 new words of the day. So this is the daily vocabulary booster for today, which is 12th of April 2019. So every day at 12 p.m. we learn 5 new words that are picked up from the Hindu editorial. Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So we start with the first term, which is called apartheid. Now, apartheid is a system of institutionalized racial segregation that existed in South Africa from 1948 until the early 1990s. So for around 42 years, we had this system that was prevailing in South Africa, wherein people were segregated, and this happened institutionally. मतलब जानबूझ के उनको because of their racial, यानी कि उनके complexion के कारण उनको segregate किया जाता था. So few of the synonyms are discrimination and separatism. Now the usage. The apartheid was the reason for much of the racial tension in South Africa. Because people were discriminated based on their race, that is the reason there persisted racial tension in South Africa. The next term is de facto. Now de facto is in fact, whether by right or not. So that means this is the fact. So this the synonyms are really or actually, existing or holding a specified position in fact but not necessarily by legal right. So it may or may not be right, but it is considered by a group of people or anyone to be right. Okay, so the usage is the country was de facto divided between 2 states. या फिर China has a de facto one party system. That means by default or by fact China has one party system only. Or the other usage that we saw, the country was divided between 2 states, though it was not explicitly said, but in fact if we see, it was divided into 2 states. The next term is hassle free. So something which is without problems or botheration. So synonyms are easy or smooth. So things are going very smooth, light. The usage is traveling by coach is the hassle-free way of discovering cities from Vienna to Vancouver, Moscow to Rome. So they are saying that if we are traveling by coach or by train, it is one of the most easiest route to travel from Vienna to Vancouver or Moscow to Rome. The next term is status quo. Status quo is the existing state of affairs, especially regarding social or political issues. So we are talking about what is the state, the existing state, or what is the present situation of with respect to social or political issues right now in present. So the usage is there is no desire to change the current status quo. So if it is negative, or if there is negative political or social issues in the present and the political parties don't want to take any action with respect to that, that is when we use the term status quo. And the last term for today is unfetter, which means release from restraint or inhibition. So the synonyms are discharge or liberate. It's just like a flying bird, very easy, and they're not captured or kept at under the cabin or stuff or the same. So the usage is his imagination is unfettered by the laws of logic. That means he's not thinking logically. His imagination is without any inhibition from the world or laws of logic. So those were the 5 words that we've learned today. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary for the English sections for various bank and government exams. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.